We are the contractor sent out for Richie Bozio on School Street in Lombard to do this repair on this roof that is incredibly old. You can see all the fiberglass all throughout this roof. So we'll go ahead and do the repair anyway. The shingles pretty warm. Let's see here. About 60, 55. So we'll be using all the tools to be as careful as we can. A trowel to delaminate the shingles, a flat bar to remove the nails, and a roof snake to re-nail the shingles. All right, we can take a little bit closer look at the shingles above it. You can see it's ripped here. It's ripped here. There's a crease right here on the shingle above it. From peeling up the shingle, there's a crease right here as well. Right here. Hopefully that shows it in the video. So you can see right here, here, here. You can see a crease. The shingle is ripped above it here. This shingle is ripped above it here. The shingle is ripped here. I mean, this shingle is just so cooked. There's no way to repair it without damaging the rest of the roof.